Alright, boys and girls, how's it going? Today we were going to work on the smoker and get that done, but well, I need to get this little contraption done, so I'm gonna show it to you real quick. This cute little fella right here. Don't worry about the mess. I haven't got a chance to clean up yet because I've been so busy. So what we're doing is, well, obviously since that's popped, but he only has about 1.5 inches, 2 inches of clearance. So what we're doing is we're going to be notching right here and cutting these off on both sides, pulling that whole thing down, essentially pulling the front end down to pick it up, and then back here, right there, we're going to notch that out as well, and take it from that, drop it down, pick the whole thing up, and then right in front of this bar, right here where someone's obviously welded before, we're gonna take, well actually I'm gonna cut back here. We're gonna cut this, cut all the way across so everything's loose. We're gonna stretch this about 1 foot. And then obviously there's gonna be some bracing and stuff we gotta do, but that's the project we gotta do. And then once we're done, I got chains and stuff for once everything's stretched out. So we're gonna get stripping this thing down, and I'll see you guys in a minute. So, as you can tell, it's nice and moist outside. So, I guess I just decided to start working on the GoPro again. So this is what we did. So, remember there used to be a seat here in the pan? Yeah. We cut all that out. We're going to take this pipe, which is long enough to cut two 27-inch pieces out of, which is going to go from here to the back axle to extend it to make it longer so, adults can fit on it instead of just a child. And then we're going to use this, which has the cushions, which are right there. And we're going to put the seat right here. So I'm probably going to end up cutting these off and then probably use this stuff to make a, I don't know what you call it, like a side arm or something, just in case, so you don't have as much of a chance to fall off. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna start it bare. I would have started the video sooner, but my phone was dead. So I guess you guys can join me now and we'll get to it. So I'll talk to you in a second. Alright, boys and girls, so got the go-kart done. I think I got it done Wednesday. So I guess I'll show you really quick. Look at how much more room. And yes, that tire and that tire are flat. He said he's getting new tubes for it, so we don't have to worry about that. So, I know I didn't record a whole bunch of the rest of it. I think I stopped after I cut the knuckles off or something like that. I don't remember. But we used a piece of angle, dropped the angle down, dropped the brackets down, flipped them over obviously, and then I pulled this link right here off the bottom, put it on top. That way it'll clear the frame over here, because as you can tell it was rubbing before. And then we took the throttle cable over here, or throttle rod, added a new spot on it, bent it out, ground this out just a little bit, extended it, made it longer, and obviously it's gonna move, but we did that. Then the throttle cable goes there underneath the engine, comes out from the engine and up and over this, so it goes just like that. And trust me, I was playing with the other day, she's still got some power. And then this is the seat out of that that we were gonna scrap, but I left this on it just in case, you know. But when he gets here, I'm gonna have to tell him that if he wants, he can shave he should definitely shave the foam out of this, some of it at least, because with the foam in it, pushes it too far forward. So other than that, I think it turned out pretty well. He definitely shouldn't have any problems with it. So he's gonna get new tubes for it, and then it should be good to go. I really like this now that it's actually longer, because right there is where the seat used to be. So we're at least 8 or 9 inches back. So I think she looks pretty good. But if you guys like the channel, like the videos, make sure you go through and watch all of them. They're really cool. But I hope you guys like the videos. Like, subscribe, comment, share, tell all your friends. That thing, we might be selling it to get a new truck. So other than that, but hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will talk to you later.